Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you 5 quick ways to access Task Manager in your Windows 10 or either it could be a Windows 11. So in Task Manager you can perform different activities. Here you can see different apps running on your PC. You can press on them and end task. You can close any of that particular application through Task Manager. You can see here the CPU information, memory and GPU consumption in your PC. You can also check here different startup apps that works when you start your PC, and here you are able to see different type of settings and details of your PC and also the services running in your PC. So Task Manager is very important where you can perform different type of activities for your PC. So here I am going to show you the 5 quick ways by which you can easily access Task Manager. So first you will go to the below taskbar and right click on it and you will see this Task Manager option. This is the first way by which you can open Task Manager in your PC. And the second method is you have to go to the Windows icon shown in your taskbar and right click on it. Here you will see the Task Manager option. This is the second way by which you can easily access Task Manager in your PC. And the third way, you have to go to the search bar in your taskbar. You have to click on here and type Task Manager. Then at the above you can see the Task Manager app. You can open it. This is the third way by which you can access Task Manager in your PC. And also there is the shortcut to access Task Manager by which you can access Task Manager in your PC. You can press Ctrl Shift Escape together and your Task Manager will get open. You can see the Task Manager is open. This is the fourth way of opening or accessing Task Manager. And then you can access through Run window. You can press Windows R and this Run window will appear to you. You can type here Task MGR. Then you will be able to access Task Manager. After you type here Task MGR, you have to press on OK. After you press OK, the Task Manager window will pop up. These are the 5 ways by which you can easily access Task Manager in your PC, either it could be a Windows 10 or Windows 11. I hope this worked for you. Thanks for watching this video.